What? I'm recording.
Yo, how you supposed to get over there?
I want to know where you at, son. You probably far now. I didn't even get to those videos. Where you at? I know you got far. I mean, not far, but further than what I watched.
Can't even describe where I'm
I don't know. I might know where you at. It looks familiar.
Come on! The graphics is way better, yo. I mean, I'm just looking at it like how much better it looks. Your only thing is, why can't you install this shit on your hard drive, yo?
It's PS2, B. I mean PS3, my bad.
That's stupid. That's the reason why I want to be able to install on my hard drive. Cause
fuck you on?
I was trying to see if I could jump off over there.
Yo, what the? Oh, golden hoe. Is that? What the fuck is that?
This is a statue of a chick, I think.
Oh, that shit was scary, son.
Yo, I want to figure out how to, what you call it, man.
Oh, you stuck, son?
Nah, so I want to figure out how to get that stuff over there. I wonder if I leave out of here, will it make me, like, can I come back? Oh, maybe this is the other way around? Okay, Minos, ain't cool. I don't know how to spell his name. Rhodomanthus.
Statues is huge, son.
Should I go over there now? Or is there something else? That's my thing, I be hating, I don't want like leave nothing behind. Oh word, what the hell is this? I will strike you.
Man, strike first and ask questions later. They don't give you no option.
Invisible walls, you can't even like, you can't even fly off if you wanted to. Let me kill myself. No, brother. It's over here, man. Oh man, I'm about to tear somebody up.
What is those things called? I forgot.
Minotaur.
Wow.
It's all good.
Yeah, fucking you up.
It's all good because I'm like,
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Traffic is crazy, son. Wow. Graphics is sick. Well, you see certain parts get fade out like a blur.
yeah.
And then they get sharp. What's just that?
So why you over there for?
Cause I can't swing right in front of it. Oh, I could duck on it, kinda.
Oh. You see, you guys, you went over there and got stuck?
I could go under.
Oh, what's this? There we go. That's what I was looking for, man. Come on, huh?
real good job. But the one thing that I'm thinking about is Cassius and getting this game.
What about?
Because you see how we looking at this thing and like, damn, motherfuckers put some work in there.
Yeah.
Looking at his TVs going like, damn, you playing God of War 2 again?
Oh, you get the regular joint?
You got standard TVs, huh?
Damn.
So you ain't gonna see the true quality. Like just the other day, right? I'm chilling with dude, right? And he's like, yo, man, my quality was smoother just the other day. I had to pause. Cause I'm like, hold up. Your quality on your TV was just smooth and buttery the other day? I said, do you know what TV